Hello, dear Hana Home Decor family. Today we are diving into the world of holiday decorations, cozy and charming world of farmhouse Christmas decorations. If you're looking for a creative, warm, welcoming, and nostalgic atmosphere in your house this holiday season, then this farmhouse style Christmas decor is a must for you. This farmhouse Christmas decor is all about blending rustic elements with a touch of elegance, creating a space feeling both timeless and inviting. We are exploring how to incorporate natural materials, vintage pieces, and neutral color palettes, accented with festive reds, metallics, and greens. The goal is to create a cozy farmhouse, beautiful vintage look for your Christmas. The best place to start with is your Christmas tree. A farmhouse style tree often features a mix of handmade ornaments, natural elements like pine cones, berries, and glass decorations. We can also use burlap or plaid ribbon as garland and wooden ornaments for the rustic touch. The next important place is your mantle or fireplace. This is a prime spot to showcase your farmhouse Christmas decor. Starting with a garland made of fresh greenery, or you can opt for a realistic fox variant if you want something low maintenance. Then you can add some twinkle lights, pine cones, and berries for a pop of color. Stockings are a must, and you can find or make ones in materials like burlap net or linen. For that farmhouse feel, to finish off the look, place a few lanterns or vintage candle holders on the mantle, or you can add a wooden sign with a festive phrase like Merry Christmas or Joy to the World. Your dining table is another great area to infuse with farmhouse charm. You can start with a simple neutral tablecloth or a burlap runner for your centerpiece. You can also add wooden tray galvanized buckets filled with greenery, candles, and pine cones. Mason jars can serve as rustic vases for fresh or fox flowers, and you can also use candle holders for place settings and for giving a complete farmhouse look. For a whole farmhouse theme, you can incorporate elements throughout your living room like cozy throw blankets, pillows, and festive patterns and colors that can make your space feel warm and inviting. Small touches are also important for a farmhouse feel, like wooden or metal trays on your coffee table filled with candles, pine cones, and seasonal greenery.